Now we're moving into an exciting part of our simulator, adding unpredictability with random selection. If you recall, at the beginning of the program, we enabled this by importing random. So it's only because we did import random at the beginning of our program that we're able to do what we're about to do now. So let's go over this. Form type equals random or assigned to random.choice. Then you've got the parentheses, list, and then the other open parentheses, self.dimensionalforms.keys, open parentheses, and you've got the 3 closing parentheses after that. The random.choice function is Python's way of randomly selecting one item from a collection. It takes a sequence, like a list or a tuple, and picks one element completely at random. So let's break it down from the inside out. Self.dimensionalforms.keys gets all the keys from our dictionary. We'll go into that one a little bit more later. Then you've got the list conversion, which we'll go into in another lesson. And then you have random.choice, which randomly selects one of those 4D geometric forms. This means every time we generate a new entity, it might be a tesseract or a hypersphere or any of our other 4D shapes completely unpredictably, with randomness, pseudo-randomness, etc. In real physics, quantum particles and higher dimensional phenomena are inherently unpredictable. If our 4D entities always appeared in the same order, it wouldn't reflect the natural variety of higher dimensional space. This randomness makes our simulation realistic and interesting. So you have to run the program multiple times to really experience it, because that's when you see, okay, it didn't give me the same values again. But you'll see these different things, tesseracts, hyperspheres, Klein bottles, etc., appearing in unpredictable sequences when you run this multiple times, just like real 4D entities would manifest in our 3D world. So the random.choice function guarantees that each run of your simulator typically creates something different. Because randomly, you could occasionally get the same thing, right? But it's a high probability of something different appearing, making your 4D entity encounters varied and more lifelike.